So in this tutorial, we're going to talk about content, which we did in a previous tutorial. But here I'm just going to work with articles, which are for the blog. I'm going to work with um, all the calendar items, which is either, let's reset here, which is either all calendar, and I'll show you here, or Emerson, Heights, Mission, Navajo, Schumann, etc. I mean, so either specific calendars or information that goes into all calendars. So I'm going to click all calendars and filter. You don't need to do this to add information. I just want to show you. There's some items that are there that go to all calendars, and then there's other ones that are going to specific calendars. When you add a content or any of the users add a content, what you want to do is, so we'll pick all calendars. It's all date specific, obviously, because it's for a calendar. So you put the title. Then you, if you want to show an end date, you can. You don't have to. If there's a different time that it ends or a different day, it could be an all-day event, and so that will take care of all day. You, it could be a repeating event where you put, like, every week if something happens, how many occurrences, and then you put the information and you choose an image for it as well. That's all, and you save it, and it goes into the calendar, and it appears for that date and time. Very straightforward. Let me show you another one here. Let's switch that. I want to show you articles, and articles are for the blog. And again, I'll filter again just so we can see. And then you see here all the articles. You can publish and unpublish them. If you want to remove an article but not delete it, you can unpublish it. And you could do that here by selecting one and then unpublishing selected content, or you could do it in the actual content itself. But so we'll create an article, but we won't do it. I'll just show you the overview of creating one. So there's a title. You don't need to worry about that, or even this. These two are just more specific things. Here you add media. It's either a picture, you can add a video. If you add an image, I'm going to send you the PSD that has pretty much the proper size to add images, just so they look consistent throughout. Don't worry about the blog categories. I think we'll create some new ones at some point, but right now don't even use it. We don't need that. You can add tags if you want, just any words, kind of like that aren't blog categories as you go forward. But we can start here. If you start adding tags and we start seeing some consistency, that'll be the categories that you want to create. And then here you would enter the blog article. Very straightforward. Basically, you need a title, and the image or the whatever media it is, and the information, and then you save it, and that'll go right into the blog as one of the latest entries. And again, you can publish and unpublish at your will. And then let's do the last one that I wanted to show you, which is the gallery. And so there's some gallery items, and I'll filter for that as well. Those are the images that create all the galleries. And right now we have specific categories. I labeled the images because I didn't know, but here you can label them really nicely, and then because that's not where they get distributed to the different categories. So if we add content here, and we're going to add a gallery item, we'll click gallery. And then here you put the title. You can put a nice descriptive title. You upload the image, and I have a PSD I will send you as well for the gallery, the specific size, so they're all consistent. The more consistent, the better. Here's where you choose the category that it falls into. So you could add more to any one of those categories, and then you save it, and that's that. It goes right into the gallery as one of the latest ones. We'll go here. So we add something today, and we go to the gallery. And again, this is a little slower because I'm recording. So there's a little beach ball for a second there, and then we go to galleries. So here are the different, so as you look at the gallery and you see all the images, you can swap images out. You can unpublish them so that you don't delete them. But you can switch here if you just want to see the day-to-day ones, or outings, special events, guest speakers, sorry, staff, communities. You could add more to each one or show all. So that's a gallery. Pretty interactive. Actually, as you go over the images here, you can see, and this is the size of a standard large gallery. So you can have nice big pictures. And so that's galleries. So that's the end of that tutorial.